Yo, what's up everybody? Back again with another video, and this time we're stepping into the future of your kitchen. That's right, we're talking cutting-edge appliances that are about to change the way you cook, clean, and even about food. We're talking next-level innovation here, people. From ovens that practically read your mind to refrigerators that double as your personal sous chef, we've got the top 10 kitchen gadgets you need to see to believe. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you love tech and innovation, you're in for a treat. Today, we're diving into the latest cutting-edge appliances for 2025 that are changing the game. Let's get started. Alright, first up is the Smart Hub Fridge 2.0. Now, you know I love me some smart home tech, and this fridge is straight out of a sci-fi movie. We're not just talking about a touchscreen on the door here, people. This thing is packing some serious AI power. Imagine opening your fridge and having it tell you what to make for dinner based on what's inside, how old it is, and even your dietary restrictions. Yeah, this fridge knows what's up, and get this, it can actually help you food waste by tracking expiration dates and suggesting recipes to use up ingredients before they go bad. No more mystery produce rotting in the crisper drawer. But wait, there's more. Remember those awkward phone calls you used to take while stirring a pot on the stove? Those days are over. This fridge has a built-in video calling feature, so you can stay connected with friends and family while you're whipping up a culinary masterpiece. It's like having an extra set of hands in the kitchen, minus the actual hands. Next up, we're cranking up the heat with the Ultra Bake Pro oven. Now, I'm not much of a baker myself, but even I can appreciate the tech packed into this thing. This oven takes all the guesswork out of cooking with built-in sensors that monitor your food and adjust the temperature and cooking time automatically. Overcooked chicken, burnt cookies, not a chance. And for all my fellow control freaks out there, you can manage everything remotely from an app on your phone. Preheat your oven on your commute home from work, get real-time updates on your bake, and even receive alerts if something needs your attention. But here's the kicker. This oven uses advanced algorithms to learn your cooking habits over time. That means the more you use it, the better it gets at predicting your preferences and delivering perfect results. It's like having a personal chef built right into your kitchen. Alright coffee lovers, this one's for you. Meet the BaristaBot 5000, the coffee machine that's about to revolutionize your mornings. Forget those single-serve pods and long lines at the coffee shop. This bad boy makes barista-quality coffee right in your own kitchen. And when I say barista quality, I mean it. This machine lets you customize every aspect of your brew, from the type of beans to the grind size, water temperature, and even the milk froth consistency. It's like having your own personal barista on call 24/7. But the best part? The BaristaBot 5000 remembers your order. So whether you're a creature of habit or like to switch things up, this machine has got you covered. Plus, it cleans itself. I mean, what more could you ask for? Chapter 4. AquaClean-X. Dishwasher dishwashing but make it futuristic. Now let's talk about a chore we all love to hate, dishwashing. But don't worry, the AquaClean-X dishwasher is here to make your life a whole lot easier. This isn't your average dishwasher, people. This thing uses ultrasonic cleaning technology, which basically means it blasts away food particles with high-frequency sound waves. The result? Cleaner dishes, faster cleaning times, and a quieter wash cycle. And for those times when you just need to wash a few things, the AquaClean-X has a handy half-load feature that saves water and energy. But here's the real game changer. This dishwasher actually connects to your home's water heater to optimize water temperature and pressure for each cycle. That means no more pre-rinsing, less water waste, and sparkling clean dishes every time. Chapter 5. Smart Chef Multi-Cooker, the only appliance you'll ever need. Alright, for all my fellow foodies out there, this one's a game changer. The Smart Chef Multi-Cooker is basically the Swiss Army knife of kitchen appliances. This single gadget can handle everything from pressure cooking and slow cooking to steaming, air frying, and even sous vide. That's right, folks. It's like having an entire arsenal of cooking tools in one sleek package. But the Smart Chef isn't just versatile, it's also incredibly user-friendly. It has a built-in touchscreen interface that walks you through every step of the cooking process, and it even comes preloaded with hundreds of recipes. And if you're feeling lazy, no judgment, you can control the whole thing with your voice. Just tell the Smart Chef what you want to make, and it'll take care of the rest. Chapter 6. Auto Prep Food Processor, chopping veggies just got a whole lot easier. Let's be real, nobody enjoys spending hours chopping vegetables. But that's where the Auto Prep Food Processor comes in. This thing is like having a personal sous chef whose sole purpose is to make your life easier. The Auto Prep slices, dices, chops, and even spiralizes veggies with lightning-fast speed and precision. It comes with a variety of interchangeable blades and attachments, so you can tackle any prep task with ease. And the best part? Cleanup is a breeze. All the parts are dishwasher safe, so you can spend less time scrubbing and more time enjoying your delicious creations. Okay, this next gadget might seem small, but trust me, it's a game changer. The Smart Spice dispenser is about to revolutionize the way you season your food. Remember all those times you accidentally dumped way too much oregano into your pasta sauce? Or when your spices clumped up because of humidity? Yeah, those days are over. The Smart Spice dispenser stores your spices in airtight, humidity-controlled compartments, keeping them fresh and flavorful for longer. But here's the real magic. It dispenses the exact amount of spice you need with just the push of a button. No more measuring spoons, no more guessing, just perfectly seasoned food every time. Last but not least, we have the Air Pure Range Hood. Now, you might not think of a range hood as the most exciting appliance, but this one is seriously impressive. It uses advanced HEPA filtration technology to remove smoke, grease, and odors from the air, keeping your kitchen fresh and clean. But the Air Pure isn't just about function, it's also about style. It has a sleek, minimalist design that complements any modern kitchen, and it even features customizable LED lighting to set the mood. Plus, it's incredibly quiet, so you can actually have a conversation while you're cooking without having to shout over the roar of a traditional range hood. So, we've covered some pretty amazing appliances today, but the future of kitchen tech is even more exciting. We're talking about appliances that can actually learn your cooking habits and preferences, personalize nutrition recommendations based on your dietary needs, and even robotic chefs that can whip up gourmet meals with the touch of a button. I can't wait to see what the future holds for the connected kitchen. Alright folks, that's a wrap on our top 10 cutting-edge kitchen appliances for 2025. From smart fridges and AI-powered ovens to voice-controlled multi-cookers and self-cleaning coffee machines, the future of cooking is looking pretty darn good. Which of these gadgets are you most excited about? Let me know in the comments down below. So there you have it, a glimpse into the kitchens of tomorrow. We've got AI chefs, ovens that practically read your mind, and enough smart features to make your head spin. But the best part, this isn't some distant future, people. This tech is right around the corner, ready to revolutionize the way we cook, eat, and live. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the world of cutting-edge kitchen tech, make sure to drop a like and hit that subscribe button for more awesome tech content. And hey, while you're at it, let me know in the comments which gadget you're most hyped about. Until next time, keep exploring, keep innovating, and keep pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Peace.